Today we are getting one step closer to driving the S15 on the road. We're going to be taking a ride down to San Diego-ish area to performance registration so we could give them the proper import documentation so we can get this thing registered out of state, not have any issues with California, and essentially get this thing on the road. It's going to be in about another 2 weeks, so I'm going crazy. I know you guys want to see this car on the road, some B-roll, some cinematic shots, pulling up to shows. We're doing a ton of good stuff, so yeah, let's get into the 4Runner and head out. All right, let's do the damn thing. And yeah, I'm dying to get this car on the road. We sold the MR2 yesterday, so I just have the 4Runner for now, but that's all gonna change. We are vlogging on the Osmo Pocket 3 today because all my gear is in prep tonight, and this will be another video coming out if it hasn't already. We're gonna be shooting with Formula Drift driver Mike Power, some interviews in a shop. We're gonna light it up super moody, full breakdown on that. You're not gonna wanna miss it. But let's hit the road, Jack. It's time. It is time to drive about an hour and a half and get this thing registered. All right, before we take this hour-plus drive, we need some essentials. We got the cucumber, lime, zero Gatorade. We gotta stay hydrated. We got the caffeine with the Astro Vibe Celsius. And if you know me, you know me. I'm an ex-fat kid. I used to be 400 pounds. Now I've been into fitness for 20+ years. We gotta have the protein cookie. I need my macros for the day, and I'm usually in a caloric deficit, so yeah. Let's get back on the road. We got the paperwork right here. We needed the export certificate translated from Japanese to English, and then there's some other documents that are in my email that I have to have printed out. Hopefully they have a printer. If not, we'll run to UPS or FedEx. So yeah, let's get back on the road. It's hard to find a clean one. I mean, the one he showed me had like a softball size, like rust hole in the frame. I was like, bro.
Yeah, that's S15. Yeah.
Oh, bro. I think I've seen this one, yeah. All right, so we just got back home. We have to take some photos of the S15 for Haggerty so we can get the car insured. So we're gonna pull the car out. There she is. And yeah, we're gonna pull the car out. Then this way we can go ahead and take the photos so we get the insurance on the car. And then also at the same time, like be able to get this registered, get the proper documentation and whatnot, just to get the process moving that much faster so that by the time the tags come, the car has been insured, no issues, this thing can't get stolen or anything like that. So that would be pretty good. But yeah, I mean, I'm just super stoked with how easy, how fast, how effortless performance made it feel. I mean, it really didn't feel like that big of a task, and just want to thank you again, Rigo. I hope I'm saying your name right, but really appreciate it. Okay, so we just got back from performance registration. Rigo, thank you again for making the process that much easier, I swear. You literally made it super simple, but right now, we have to take the S15 out because we need to get photos of it. With Haggerty, who I'm gonna be insuring the car through, they need to see the body, obviously, make sure they're not insuring something that's already been smacked up. So we're gonna pull out the S15, we're gonna park it on the side of the house. I'm gonna take a look at the email for the photos that they want. I'm gonna be shooting on the iPhone, really don't care. Yeah, I'll set up this Osmo Pocket 3 so you guys could see me taking the photos of it, and hopefully that'll just get the process that much faster going essentially. So by the time tags come, this thing has been insured. It needed to be insured regardless. I've been kind of nervous with it getting stolen out of the garage, so we'll get that all set up in just a second. Let's pull out the S15. I'll mic up the exhaust so you guys could hear how loud the blast pipes are when the valves open. It's cool. It's got a, I'm gonna do a full walk around of the car, but it's got a really cool exhaust where you can make the exhaust louder or quieter with a manual valve. So let's pull this out right now. So I hope you guys were able to hear that exhaust. It's super loud, but as you could tell with the audio, there are some different notes due to the manual valve in it, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Damn, she looks so good. 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks until we be mobbing in it, but yeah. So let's get the necessary photos that we need in order to get this on the road that much sooner. So I'm gonna set up this camera. You'll see me walk around it, I guess take all the different photos so that they could insure it properly. And then, yeah, should be that much closer. What does this email say? Hey Jason, thanks again for coming in and great meeting you. If you could send us some photos of the vehicle when you have a chance. All 4 corners, so basically 45s, the trunk, the engine, and the interior. All right. This should be pretty easy. Front 45, front, side, rear. Let's pop the hood so we could show the engine bay. I'll show you guys too. I haven't shown it yet. We haven't done a proper reveal video. We will soon. Still trying to figure out if I want to rent a studio and do something super sick with the homies. So this right here is our SR20 DET. Definitely has some toys on it. Definitely has some toys. We don't even know the gist of it, but all right. So we got that out of the way. Let's get some interior shots because we have some brand new Recaros in here and whatnot, all the goodies. So yeah, we definitely want to make sure that these are covered from theft or accidents or just anything in general. All right, and last but not least, the trunk, which is taken apart. Oh well. I think that's it. I think we're good. All right. Put the tools back in. That should be it. Should I wipe it down? I really want to wash it. Let me know in the comments if you guys could hear the difference in the exhaust notes with the manual valve open and closed. I may or may not take it down the block. See, and this is why you don't do stupid shit like this. I wish you could have seen it. I wish you could have seen it. Right when I took it down the block, and I went to, thank God I turned the exhaust down, there was a cop sitting at the end of my block. I flipped it, he had someone pulled over. But this is why it's just not worth it, and we should just, as much as I want to drive it, even around the block for like a little bit of time, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. By the time you see me next, we'll have our plates. I'll catch you guys in a couple weeks.